Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadi and I'm one of the owners of Auntie Munaver's Dessert and Savoury. So Auntie Munaver's actually started around 20 years ago by my dadi, who's Auntie Munaver. She started this in her own kitchen at home around 20 years ago, making one cake a month, two cakes a month. Initially when it started actually, I'd say it was one cake every 2 months, then one cake a month. For a good 12-13 years, it was a home business only. घर से ही operate कर रहे थे. In fact, हमारी जो original location थी in Clifton Block 4, वहीं से kitchen भी वहीं बनाया था. Everything was happening from there. In 2019, then we finally got a chance to actually open a store. So in 2019 in Chota Bukhari DHA Phase 6, we opened our first store. And from there it's kicked off. Right now in 2026, we've got 3 outlets, Phase 6, Phase 8 and Shaheed Millat, and we're going towards our 4th in North Nazabad in around a month's time. So with Kitchen Dunya, we've been working with them since around 6 years, continuously. हमारे ज़्यादातर जो भी equipment होता है, we work with them, we buy it from them. And it's been nothing short of brilliant. Right, we buy our ovens, tables, even the 3D planning of our outlets. Every single thing is done with them. The part about them would be the after-sales service. Kitchen Dunya, however, I think they're one of the only companies that actually make sure to actively be involved. I think a good part has to go to Hussain Bhai, which is why we continue to work with them and we actually recommend them to other people ahead as well.